Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel on Fork It Up with Neely. My name's Janelle, and today I want to show you how to make vegan meatballs from scratch. So you're going to take 2 tablespoons of flaxseed, and you're going to have 2 tablespoons of water. All you're going to do is just stir that up really quickly, and you could just place it on the side. So you're going to chop 1/4 of onions, four garlic cloves chopped. Actually, make that 5. In the pan, like if you're going to be heating it up, you're going to put 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. As you let the coconut oil heat up, you're going to be throwing in your garlic. Oh, I see I threw a little bit of onion in there. That's fine. After you let it saute for a little bit, then you're going to be throwing in the rest of your onions. Let everything cook, let everything sizzle together, let everything get to know each other. As for the lentils, you're going to let the lentils soak before you cook them. I usually cook them overnight. Not cook them. I usually let them soak overnight. It doesn't really need to take that long. I just like them soaked overnight better. When you cook them, you're going to cook them about 15 minutes. You're only going to use 1/2 pound of lentils. So this is where the flaxseed and the water mixture will come into play. You're going to be pouring it into the food processor. Afterwards, the cooked garlic and onions. 1/4 cup of chickpea flour, 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, a handful, like about 1/4 cup of oregano and parsley, and 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce. So you're just going to put a cap on it and just blend it all up. And I'm really sorry guys, I had to make this video short for today. I had to wrap it up, and we're definitely going to start right back into tomorrow. I'm just going to throw this in the fridge for overnight. It's totally going to be perfectly fine. Okay, so this is the pasta that I'm going to be using. It's made from chickpeas. This is not a sponsor, just to throw it out there. I really personally love this pasta dish. It's pretty good. It's vegan. I used the whole box. It's about 8 ounces of pasta. So I want to go over how to make the meatballs. It's pretty simple. I'm literally just going to roll them up into a bowl. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's speed up this process. After you finish rolling them up, you're going to put them in a pan, lightly fry them for about like 5 minutes. I usually put about 4 or 5 meatballs together, let them take their time to like cook 5 minutes, then flip them over for another 5 minutes just to have a little color. That's pretty much it. Oops, I definitely know you saw me break one. Don't worry about it if you break the meatball because everything gets covered in sauce anyway. And I pretty much just let it cook, flip it over, and call it a day. And after you're done with your meatballs, you're going to transfer them to another plate. In the meantime, while you're putting your meatballs to fry and transferring, you should already have the pasta water boiling, so you can put the pasta in. It takes about 10 to 15 minutes to cook the pasta. In between that, you're going to start heating up your sauce. I just got regular vegan marinara sauce, nothing crazy. I will send all the items that I made in the description box below. So boom, thank you once again for checking out my video. Give it a thumbs up if you like what I did. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. And stay tuned for another video on Fork It Up with Neely. Thank you. Bye.